In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom grouping in Asana Gantt view to better organize your projects and streamline your workflow. First, let's navigate to your project's Gantt view. This is where you'll find a visual timeline layout of your tasks, which is particularly useful for monitoring deadlines, dependencies, and overall project progress. Once you're in the Gantt view, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice a variety of options specifically designed for sorting and grouping your tasks. These options are instrumental in tailoring your visualization to better suit your project's needs. To begin, locate the button labeled Group. This feature is a powerful tool that allows you to organize tasks in a way that makes the most sense for you and your team. Click on the Group button. Once you do this, a menu will appear, giving you a range of grouping options to choose from. Today, we're going to start by grouping these tasks by assignee. This particular grouping choice is excellent for seeing who is responsible for each task at a glance. It can help with workload distribution and ensure everyone knows their responsibilities clearly. After selecting assignee, you'll notice that all your tasks are now neatly arranged under names, providing a clear overview of task distribution across your team. Now, let's take this a step further and explore how you can add even more clarity by introducing subgroups. A subgroup can add an additional layer of organization, allowing you to focus on specific characteristics within your main group. To add a subgroup, again, click on the Group button located at the top right. This time, select the option labeled Add Subgroup. You'll be prompted with another menu to choose how you want to further organize your tasks. Let's select Priority for this example. By doing so, each assignee's tasks will be further broken down by priority levels, whether they are high, medium, or low priority. This helps you and your team immediately identify which tasks need immediate attention and which can be scheduled for later. And there you have it. By effectively using these custom grouping features, you can visualize and streamline your project progress more efficiently. Asana's Gantt view becomes an even more powerful tool when leveraged with these grouping options, offering you insights that are just a click away. You'll find this incredibly beneficial for maintaining a clear and organized workflow, potentially saving you time and enhancing productivity throughout your projects. That's all for today's tutorial. We hope this helps you make the most out of Asana's versatile capabilities in organizing and managing your projects. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more tips and insights on using Asana effectively.